What's going on, everyone? Doug here, and today we're going to check out the lighted Rim Free Magnifier by Carson Optical. I love this magnifier. The rimless design gives it a really nice sleek look, and the specially shaped lens provides a wider and larger viewing area. At Carson, we're the #1 manufacturer of magnifiers in the US. We actually invented the concept of a rimless magnifier. By removing the rim around the lens, we created something lighter and easier for people to use with nothing to block your view. This is especially great for readers because the shape of the lens prevents you from losing your place on the page. This magnifier is also equipped with an angled, soft grip ergonomic handle and 2 super bright LED lights. To keep your lens from getting damaged, we've also included a soft microfiber pouch for added protection. So whether you're in your home, school, or office, this magnifier is perfect for any situation. So check out the lighted Rim Free and see the Carson difference. For more information, check out our website, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave comments below. I'm Doug from Carson. Thanks for watching.